Native to the Mediterranean region and cultivated over 3,000 years ago, its wild ancestor was called smallage, a bitter-tasting marsh plant that was used primarily as a medicine. Celery was first recorded as a food plant in France in 1623. Tango celery is a great type to grow organically. Smooth and tender stalks are 18 to 20 inches tall, sweet and tasty, and have minimum stringiness. An improvement on older varieties of celery, Tango does well in most climates and prefers a northern latitude. Outstanding performance in a short season, handles heat and drought stress better than most celery. Very forgiving for the weekend gardener. Tender, non-stringy stalks on self-blanching, vigorous plants, and is resistant to fusarium. Tango celery needs fertile soil and consistent moisture throughout the entire season for optimum growth. Add compost to the planting area and fertilize regularly. Mulch and keep moist. Helpful herbs to plant near celery include thyme, sage, basil, horehound, tansy, cilantro, and dill. Celery is an excellent source of vitamins K, C, and phosphorus, which can help boost immunity within the body and promote heart health. It is also a good source of vitamin B6, potassium, manganese, and fiber to help with digestion and cleanse the digestive tract.